Today we're going to show you how to fix your things.
Today we're demonstrating a toilet repair using PC11.
Ready, intern? Drop it. Sweet! And remember folks, don't try this at home. We're trained professionals.
We wear lab coats. We're going to fix that mess by using PC11, a 2-part epoxy. Just mix equal parts of each component until the color is blended.
And when it's mixed together, it blends to an off-white color.
All right, here we go.
And we're done.
Great, let's test this sucker.
Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop.
Yes!
Excellent!